Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete a user on your Mac, step by step. Let's get started. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select System Settings. Now, scroll down and click on Users and Groups. Here, you'll see a list of all user accounts on your Mac. Make sure you are logged in as an administrator account, because only admins can delete users. Next, click the eye icon next to the user account you want to remove. A window will appear. Now, click on Delete User. Another window will appear asking what you want to do with that user's home folder. You'll have a few options. Save the home folder as a disk image. Don't change the home folder or delete the home folder completely. Choose the option that fits your needs. If you don't need the user's data anymore, you can select Delete the home folder to free up space. After that, click Delete User. And that's it. That's how you delete a user on a Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.